Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a presentation from the beginning to the end. So no question asked from there on, and then you can add whatever formatting you want. Okay, select new and start a new presentation and select create. There are two boxes that will be coming up. We are going to delete both of them because we don't need any text right now for today. As you can see, I'm going to select them and delete them. Now today I'm going to add a background to it, which I have created myself, and this is there are a lot of picture that is going to be added that is related to Mercedes. However, this is an education tutorial. We are not advertising for the Mercedes, neither we are going to use it for any monetary benefits. It is just an educational tutor and it's just going to be used for that thing. Right now I'm creating this presentation. I have created the background for it. You can create a background in Photoshop, Fireworks, whatever you feel like, any other graphic software, wherever you can, and any other type. There we go with the picture. I'm not going to select anything. I'm going to select it from the file this time, and we are going to select it file, and I have to go to the folder wherever it is. And as you can see, I have my files in the Mercedes folder. Okay, and there is my background. Okay, I'm going to say insert. Okay, and I'm going to say close. That is a wonderful background. It has come up. I have created it myself, this background for this presentation only, and I'm going to now say close the file, this thing. Okay, now the first thing is that I have created this thing. As you that I'm going to create duplicate slides. Right click here and keep on saying creating duplicate slides till you have up to 10. And once we have 10, we will resume our this thing. Now I have created the 10 slides, duplicate slides, but be better position at the number 1, because if you have created 10 duplicate, you will be positioned at the last one. So always click the number 1, and now we are going to insert some pictures right here on this thing and align them and space them equally. Okay, so insert picture. Now as I have already done, we are going to put some pictures, small pictures on the top and one in the middle, big one, and some small in the bottom. Okay, and we are going to format these pictures to look beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, I have already actually named them correctly, so that L stands for large and S stands for small. So I'm going to select the small ones and insert them. And there we go. Here we are done. We have inserted these pictures, and they will be grouped together because they have been multiple selection. So they will be grouped and together, and like a one graphic, you have to click on the side of the slide so that they can be individually dragged. Okay, there we go. Now I am going to align it, few on the top and few to the bottom. Here we are going 1, 2, nothing specific. You can do it specifically if you want. I'm not going to put anything specifically because this is just a lesson on the tutorial for you that I have created. There is nothing special about it. We are not going to sell this thing PowerPoint to anybody, or I am not going to put it in the office. But if it was for the office or any other organization where you have to sell it, you have to do it according to the specification whatever they have said. Right now I am going to put this picture correctly, and I am going to come back to you and show it to you how I have done it. Okay, there we are. Now I am going to show you how to align it and space them properly. By the way, this model is 2012 model. I don't think so this has come in the market yet. It is going to be arriving in 2012. This is a model from Mercedes. Excellent car. Nothing specific. I'm not trying to sell you the car, but I like it myself. if I had the money, I would definitely like to buy one. So there we go. Here, 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 and then I have to select the format, and then there we go, and this is the alignment. Let's go to the align. I'm going to align it at the top because I want all my pictures to be aligned correctly on the top. There we go. They have been aligned correctly. Now I'm going to distribute horizontally, and I can, okay, and then we have done the same thing. I'm going to do it with the bottom 4 pictures, and then I'm going to come back again to you. Okay, here we are done. Now I'm going to insert a one good picture in the center. Okay, now I have to insert a large picture, so I'm going to look at the picture that I want to insert, and there it is coming up, and I'm looking for the picture that names M1, or okay, I'm going to put this picture. Okay, here this one is. This is a beautiful picture that is showing the car going from one side to the other side on the road, and it is shown with the photograph taken with the car running. Okay, there we go, and we are going to make it like a 70 mm movie. Okay, here we have done. Now I'm going to show you how to format this picture. As you can see, let's select all these small pictures that are there, and we are going to use another type of formatting. Okay, here I have selected the pictures. I can go to the format. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and that is the format I have given it to it. I could have given it anything else, and for this one also I could do it. I rather like to keep it like this. That's it. Now I'm going to put to another slide, and I'm going to put all the big pictures right now from here onwards. Okay, click the next slide. I'm going to insert now from on. I'm going to insert a bigger picture. Insert. Picture. I'm going to take one by one. I'm going to put it in the large pictures. I'm going to show you one, and the rest you can see. It can be done. Let's start with this one. Mercedes is such a classic car. Anybody who looks at it and wants to drive it is such a beautiful car. You just can't resist seeing that car. Okay, there we go. I have inserted this picture. I have actually formatted this picture already, given it the light conditions. I have done a graphic work on it a little bit. Okay, just to make the presentation more beautiful, and then I'm going to format with this style, and that's it. And now I'm going to do with the next slide, and in the similar way I am going to do the rest, and then I'm going to show you the end result, and we are going to continue with it. Okay, we are done with adding the slides and formatting it as we have done in the first slide. Now let's save this now a file. It will ask for the file name, and I am going to type it. Okay, I have clicked this thing, and the file is getting saved, as you can see. Now I'm going to add the animation to this thing, and then we are done with it, and some music to it. Okay, instead of selecting every now and then for each slide, I'm going to select all the slides from the very beginning to the end, and I'm going to give one sound effect to it. You can choose a different sound effect if you like. I've selected everything, and then I'm going to go to the animation. Once I go to the animation, I can choose one of the slide whatever I want. You can give it for every slide if you want, and then I select this thing, one of the slide on the transition, and then I go to the sound, and then I select it for every one of them. Okay, I go to the sound. I can select a different sound for each slide, as I have showed you already in the previous part, but I am going to show you that this time I am going to select one chime, and then I am going to say apply it to the all. Last but not the least, I am going to insert a text, whatever I wanted to put it as, and I am going to put a format on it. Let's say I enter a text here and say it R.N.A. racing, and there it is. Now I am going to format it, this text, and then we are done with this thing, and then I am going to show you presentation. Here we go. I have selected one of them to present it, and it shows R.N.A. racing done. Now again I am going to save it first now before showing you the presentation how it's done, and then we are done with this presentation. I go to the slideshow, and I run the slideshow from now on. Okay, the slideshow has been selected, the menu, and from here I will select from the beginning. There we go. As you see, the PowerPoint presentation has started. It takes some time. It's coming up. And it has come up.